afternoon. My name is Brian Valli from CoBrie Restaurant at Collingwood Mall. We are today going to demonstrate how you make Herbed Crusted can stuffed with sage and apple. We just had it from Lafayette, from Montreal. So we're gonna just put the whole thing. You not to worry about the whole thing. So it's just the flavor to the meat, more or less. And we put some garlic. It all comes to the meat. We're gonna put as much you can on apple. Stuff the most you can. Salt and pepper, a little bit inside, then you're gonna go wrap it up. You don't need to tight or anything, just like that. You're gonna fill the pans. This size, so you just can fit perfect, and you're gonna put them in the oven. Colored green. Cut most of the things, and we don't want to cut too small, just big. It's very important that you don't cut too much. Here, we will drop everything and go back to the presentation. In the middle. I like this flushing this. You can smell the aromatic flavor from the sage and everything. You can eat them, but it's just mainly for aromatic flavors purpose only. Sauce we made. And I had some sage fritters I made. Any of the garlic that you like, rosemary can be. I also made some reduced balsamic vinegar to counterbalance the sweetness. And the fat, cut through the fat of the Herbed Crusted can. Voila, there we go.